your phone. And your phone.
And my phone. Yeah, I bought a new one yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, he chewed the phone in the bedroom.
He said, he pulled the hand up. Oh, I said, you have to dog proof with the blood hand.